Okay, today we're going to take a look at the ASPEXEL remote control car. This is a 1/16 scale truck. We're going to unbox it here. We'll get her charged up and we'll rip around the neighborhood. There's that. Instruction booklet here. It's got all kinds of information about the controller and charging and extra parts if you need parts. So yeah, pretty cool whole schematic of the vehicle. We've got the controller here, and once we get this out in the yard, we'll go through all the buttons and the accelerator and everything, show you how that works. So there's that. In here, this has one of our batteries in it, a little toolkit, screwdriver, and there's our car itself, or our truck. Looks real beefy. It's got real spongy tires. Okay, so inside the battery compartment here is one of your batteries. This does come with two batteries. So then you take your battery and it just plugs right in here, and just locks in just like that. And then you plug this into any USB wart you got, and that will charge it. This car does come in red and blue, so either one you like. You just pop off the different tops, and then there's little cotter pins to lock the whatever top or bottom you want on there off, and you just pull it off like that. So you can go with the red or the blue, whichever one you like. So that's nice having extras too. And then here's your second battery inside of it. So the battery's held down in there, and I just need to undo it here. Just unclips, and that's our other battery. So we'll get these charged up and we'll let her rip. So fast. So this is it in grass. It don't care. That grass is pretty high over there. So this is the remote right here, and it's got a steering wheel that turns the wheels. See that? Like that. Trigger and drives all the wheels. So it is a four-wheel drive, and it's got adjustments so you can adjust your turning and your speed. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. It does take 3 AA batteries, but yeah, this thing is really cool. It'd be really cool to play with. A Christmas gift for kids and grown kids too. It's pretty cool. Definitely recommend it.